Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami dari kelompok 9 akan membahas sedikit tentang future perfect tense. Sebelumnya perkenalkan, nama saya Delima Septiani dengan NIM 2005374 dan teman saya
Fira Juliana dengan NIM 20079.
Untuk pembahasan yang pertama itu akan dibahas oleh saya sendiri. Yang pertama itu ada definition. Future perfect tense expresses an event that started in the past and will be finished in the future. The use of the future perfect tense is to include a clear time in the future, for example, in the form of hours and next day. This is to provide clarity that the event will be completed before another event occurs. Maksudnya di sini adalah future perfect tense, yaitu kalimat yang menerangkan pekerjaan yang akan tuntas di masa yang akan datang. Fungsi dari future perfect tense ini yaitu merujuk ke kejadian yang sudah selesai di masa depan. Saat menggunakan tense ini, kita membayangkan diri kita di masa depan dan membicarakan kejadian atau tindakan yang akan selesai pada waktu setelah sekarang. Untuk rumusnya sendiri, future perfect tense itu ada dua. Yang pertama itu verbal formula. Untuk yang positifnya itu ada subject ditambah dengan will, ditambah dengan have, dan ditambah dengan verb ketiga. Dan untuk negatifnya itu ada subject ditambah dengan will, ditambah dengan not, ditambah dengan have, dan ditambah dengan verb ketiga. Dan untuk interrogatifnya itu ada will, ditambah dengan subject, ditambah dengan have, dan ditambah dengan verb ketiga. Untuk rumus yang kedua itu ada nominal formula. Untuk positifnya itu ada subject ditambah will or shall, ditambah have, ditambah been, ditambah objek, ditambah kata kerja, kata benda, ataupun kata sifat. Dan untuk yang negatifnya itu ada subject ditambah dengan will or shall, ditambah dengan not, ditambah have, ditambah been, ditambah objek, ditambah kata kerja, kata sifat, ataupun kata benda. Dan untuk interrogatifnya itu ada will or shall, ditambah dengan subjek, ditambah dengan have, ditambah dengan been, ditambah dengan objek, dan ditambah dengan kata kerja, kata benda, ataupun kata sifat. Contoh dari rumus verbal ini yang pertama itu untuk yang positifnya ada we shall have arrived in school at 10 o'clock. Untuk yang negatifnya we shall not have arrived in school at 10 o'clock. Dan untuk interrogatifnya itu ada shall we have arrived in school at 10 o'clock. Untuk contoh dari rumus nominal yang positifnya itu ada I will have been at grandma's house by the end of the week. Dan untuk yang negatifnya I will not have been at grandma's house by the end of the week. Dan untuk interrogatifnya itu ada will you have been at grandma's house by the end of the week. Next.
Verbal. Lanjut aja dah.
Untuk contoh dari kalimat verbal ya, dan untuk contohnya akan disampaikan oleh teman saya Fira Juliana. Kepada Fira Juliana dipersilakan.
Contoh kalimat verbal itu yang pertama I'm sure Lisa will have. Yang kedua, my brother will have arrived at Monday. Yang ketiga, they will have owned a new car in garage next month. Yang keempat, I will have delivered all the packages. Monica comes home tomorrow. Yang kelima, I read at Malang by noon tomorrow. Yang keenam, we owned a new house near the lake by the end of next. Yang ketujuh, they will have sold all the day of this month. Yang kedelapan, he will have earned his payment by the time his job. Yang kesembilan, she will have her baby by the time her favorite TV ends. Yang kesepuluh, Kevin will have judged his sauce by the break time. Contoh kalimat verbal yang negatif. pertama, I'm sure Lisa will not have married. Yang kedua, my brother will not at Jakarta by Sunday. Yang ketiga, they have owned a new car in our garage next month. But I will not have delivered all the packages by the time Monica home tomorrow. Yang kelima, you will not at Malang by noon tomorrow. Keenam, not have owned a new house near the of next year. Yang ketujuh, they will not have all the cars by the of this month. Yang delapan, he will not have earned his pay time he finishes his job. 9. Have paid her baby by the time her program begins. 10. Kevin judges his sauce by the break time.
Next.
Contoh kalimat verbal interrogatif. 1. Will Lisa have married? Yang kedua, will my brother have married at Jakarta? 3. Will they have owned a new car in August next month? Yang keempat, will you have delivered this by the time Monica comes home tomorrow? Yang will you have arrived at Malang by noon tomorrow? 6. Owned a new house near the lake by the end of 7. Will they have all the cars by the end of this month? Will he have earned his payment by the time he finishes his job? 9. Will she have her baby by the time her favorite TV program begins? 10. Will Kevin have changed his by the break time? Contoh kalimat nominal yang positif. My sister will have been a doctor by the end of the kedua. Audrey will have been in America for vacation by the end of this winter. The singer will have been famous next year. Will have been a doctor by the end of this year. Will have been in the middle of the ocean by 6. We will have been by the time they announce the winner of the competition. 7. They will have been disappointed time they realize that they are lost. 8. He will have been a rich man by his father makes him a new CEO. 9. She will have been in Australia by the summer. 10. The sky will have been dark by the end of the day.
Next.
Contoh kalimat nominal 1. My sister will not have been a doctor by the end of this month. Kedua, Audrey will been in America for vacation by the end of this. Ketiga, the singer will not have been famous. Keempat, I will not have been a doctor by this year. 5. You will not have been in the middle of the ocean by noon. 6. We will have been famous by the time they announce the winner of the competition. 7. They will not have been disappointed by the time they realize that they are lost. 7. He will not have been a rich time his father makes him a new CEO. And she will not have been in Australia Contoh kalimat nominal pertama, will my sister have been a doctor by the end of this month? Will Audrey have been in America for vacation by the end of this winter? Yang ketiga, will the singer have been here? Empat, will you have been a doctor by the end of this year? Kelima, will you have been of the ocean by noon? 6. Will we by the time they announce the winner of the competition? 7. Will they have been disappointed by the time they release that they 8. Will he have been a rich man by the time his father makes him a new 9. Will she have been in Australia by summer? 10. Will the sky have been dark by the time?
Baiklah, hanya ini yang dapat kami sampaikan sedikit tentang future perfect tense. Mohon maaf apabila ada kesalahan dalam penyampaian kata. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.